How to know your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. To check if your Windows is either 34-bit or 64-bit, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply go to your search bar and simply search for system information option. So just open up system information settings here. Once you've done this, over here you want to look for an option that says system type. Now it says x64 base PC, it means it is 64-bit. Now if it was 32-bit, you would find 32, and if it is 86-bit, that is also 32-bit. So 32-bit and 86-bit is basically the same, and 64-bit is one of the most popular ones. And right here you'll be able to see whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit or 86-bit PC. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.